Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought we could extremely deep clean my kitchen. I'm going to clean behind my stove, my refrigerator, and things of that nature, and I'm also going to be organizing and decluttering my refrigerator, just pretty much throwing out any old expired food or anything like that, as well as I'm going to organize my so-called lazy Susan, which I'll explain further on in the video why I'm saying it like that. So yeah, so just if this is something that you guys would like to watch, then continue watching. Okay, so before moving on with the video, I kind of want to explain myself why I haven't been uploading for the past 2 going on 3 weeks. I know I mentioned it on Instagram, but I also want to mention it on here. And the reason is that my family and friends had tested positive for COVID-19. And actually, it's my husband's friend / business partner had tested positive for COVID-19, and unfortunately he didn't make it. And then also my husband's uncle tested positive and he didn't make it as well either. And it was just really hard, and I was trying to be there for my husband during these times, as hard as it was for him. And then I also received the news that my sister and nieces and nephew, my sister's kids, had tested positive. So yeah, I think that's when it just put a toll on me, and it just got super heavy that I couldn't carry it anymore. Sorry you guys, that was a car passing by. But yeah, so it just got really heavy, and I don't know, I just got stuck in my mind. My brain was just constantly rolling and thinking and worrying of what was going to happen. Even if nothing didn't happen, my anxiety was just sky high. It was up the roof. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't eat. I was I guess I got really fearful, and that's really sad to say that the fear really got the best of me. And I caught myself I just needed to get out of that state of mind and focus and put my faith back into God and in prayer. And I think, to be honest, that's what helped me get through this, was putting God first and in prayer and believing that this too shall pass. And I really believe that, and I know we are going to get through this. And when I mean that we're in this together, I really do. But so yeah, so that's where I've been. It's just been in my mind, and but I'm feeling much better, and I'm taking it slowly, day by day. And I don't know, I'm just so happy to be back and making videos, because that's what really calms my anxiety, is creating videos and deep cleaning, like this type of video. And I don't know, it's just really therapeutic for me, and I'm just so happy to be back. I love it. But I want to hear from you guys. I want to know how you guys are doing, and yeah, let me know. I always love to hear from you guys, and yeah, I'm just so happy to be back, you guys. I love it. Okay, so like way in the beginning of the video, I had mentioned my so-called lazy Susan. And okay, so here is my lazy Susan, and it's just a piece of glass that was inside my old microwave that had broke. No, it's been a while now, but I seen on Pinterest how to recreate or do a DIY lazy Susan, and I don't know, since it swirls around, I thought, sure, why not just keep it, and I can use it for like my spices and stuff like that. And yeah, I love it. Anything that has containers like this, I like to remove it and just pretty much like take off the leaves from the strawberry and like really give it a good wash. And I'm going to put my strawberries and blueberries in one big Ziploc bag because I don't know why, we just like that combination, me and my family. We use it on our pancakes together, on our smoothies, and so I think it's better to put it in one big Ziploc bag rather than have multiple Ziploc bags in the refrigerator. So I don't know, just do what's best for you. But as well as I like to do it for our veggies too. I just feel like if it's already cut and washed and just ready to eat, I find it that we find that our first choice to eat rather to get a bag of chips or that sort of thing. But yeah, so that's why I actually been liking to do that. And of course you see me cleaning behind my appliances, and I'm just really trying to deep clean back there because I don't know, we've been receiving these sort of bugs. I don't even know what they are. I've never even seen them. They kind of look like roaches, but they're not roaches, but they also look like grasshoppers. I don't know what it is, but I sprayed some bug spray. Maybe that'll prevent from them to coming back. But yeah, so now of course I'm doing my dishes. I don't know why I have so many dishes. I mean, of course, we're in the kitchen all day, every day. This is our main traffic. If it's not here, it's the living room. But the kitchen is the top of my list, where it's just, there's always a mess. There's always dishes. And you know what? It's okay. It gives me something to do. I'm not complaining. I love it. And, but so yeah, so I'm just going to be washing my dishes and, as well as putting them away, because of course later on the evening I'm going to have to use these dishes again. I'm gonna have to cook and we're gonna eat and things like that. So yeah. just want to thank you so much for watching and supporting. It is very much appreciated, and I hope that you get some type of motivation in this cleaning video, even though I know I talked so much in the beginning of the video, but you guys just make it so easy for me to just vent to you guys, and it's just, I'm thankful for you, and thank you for being there for me. And I hope this inspires you some type of way, and I will see you guys super soon in a new video, and please stay safe. Bye guys.